Oh. Here comes Emily.
Here comes Emily.
We got a message for you, Steve. Make sure, can you see him? You?
And we can't see him. Yeah, there's like the whole spread of the
a
couch.
bunch of chicks trying to make a video.
This isn't how it works. We can't see him.
But what we did want to say is we are so proud of you and happy graduation. We wish we could be there. We love you so much. And Emily?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I love you.
Olivia?
You did it! Woo! No, Mom, this is me.
Sorry.
You did it! You graduated, you're the best! And I'm really glad that you're not here right now because I'd be up in a tree.
Oh. Or hanging from...
I love you and we all miss you and Emily's just all up in my grill. And I love you.
You have a freckle right there. It's so odd. It's like a herpes.
Anyway, we are proud of you. We wish we were there. Love you. Okay,
oh, we're done?
Yeah.